Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about what to do if you can't afford your mortgage payments. Falling behind on your mortgage payments can be a stressful and overwhelming experience, but there are steps you can take to avoid foreclosure and keep your home. In this video, we'll explore the different options available to you if you're struggling to make your mortgage payments. Whether you're a homeowner facing financial hardship or simply want to be prepared for the worst-case scenario, this video will provide you with valuable information to help you navigate this difficult situation. If you like this content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. So, let's get started. If you find yourself struggling to make your mortgage payments, there are several steps you can take to address the situation and avoid foreclosure. Here are some options to consider. 1. Contact your lender. The first step is to get on the front foot with your lender. Contact your lender as soon as possible and explain your situation. It's best to get in quick and don't wait until you start missing payments. Ask your lender for the lowest interest rate possible. Shop around and see what other lenders are offering and see if your lender will match a lower interest rate offered by a competitor. If you have built up some equity in your home, you may be able to ask to extend your home loan. For example, if you have a 25-year home loan, they may agree to extend it to 30 years. Alternatively, you might be able to move to interest-only payments for a period of time. Just ring your lender and ask to speak to their financial hardship team. You may be able to arrange a pause or reduction in repayments or to get your fees waived. Temporary assistance such as a forbearance may be regulated by the government, and in most cases you should get 3 months, but you should have the right to ask up to 12 months of forbearance. 2. Cut back on expenses. Review your monthly expenses and see where you can cut back to free up more money for your mortgage payments. Some ideas include: transportation costs can add up quickly. Consider carpooling, taking public transport, or biking to work to save on gas and other expenses. Take steps to reduce your utility bills, such as turning off lights and electronics when not in use, using energy-efficient light bulbs, and installing a programmable thermostat. Consider cutting back on dining out, going to movies, or other leisure activities, and finding cheaper or free alternatives. Insurance is an important expense, but it's worth reviewing your policies to see if you can get a better rate. Consider bundling your policies or raising your deductibles to save on your premiums. Food is another expense that can be reduced. Consider buying groceries in bulk, cooking meals at home, and eating out less often. Meal planning and making a grocery list can also help you avoid impulse purchases. Be sure to look for deals and discounts on your everyday expenses. This can include using coupons, shopping during sales, and looking for discounts on services like cell phone plans or gym memberships. You may need to make some sacrifices in the short term to keep your home. Remember, every little bit helps, so even small changes can add up over time. 3. Refinance your mortgage. Refinancing your mortgage to a lower interest rate or longer term can reduce your monthly payments, making them more manageable. Shop around for lenders to find the best rate and terms. Consider using a mortgage broker who can help you compare offers from multiple lenders. When you apply for a refinance, you'll need to provide documentation such as income statements, bank statements, and tax returns. Make sure you have everything you need to apply for a refinance. 4. Rent out your home. If you have an extra room or basement, consider renting it out to generate additional income to put towards your mortgage payments. 5. Sell your home. If you get really stuck, and even after trying all previous ideas and you still can't afford to keep up with your mortgage payments, selling your home may be the best option. It's better to sell your home yourself rather than let the bank repossess it. You'll generally get a better price as it won't be a fire sale. Further, it's expensive to have your house repossessed due to the legal fees. You can use the proceeds from the sale to pay off your mortgage and start fresh. 6. Seek professional help. Consider speaking with a financial advisor or credit counselor who can provide guidance on managing your debt and creating a budget. See if you're eligible for free legal services. If you are experiencing mortgage stress, it's important to know your legal rights and options. Here are some of the legal rights you may be entitled to in case of mortgage stress. 1. Right to information. You have the right to receive information from your lender about your mortgage agreement, including the terms, conditions, and repayment obligations. 2. Right to contact your lender. You have the right to contact your lender to discuss your financial situation and explore options to avoid foreclosure, such as forbearance, loan modification, or repayment plans. 3. Right to fair treatment. You have the right to be treated fairly and without discrimination by your lender. Lenders are required to follow all relevant laws and regulations when working with borrowers. 4. Right to privacy. You have the right to privacy, and your lender is required to keep your personal and financial information confidential. 5. Right to a notice of default. If your lender initiates foreclosure proceedings, they are required to provide you with a notice of default, which outlines the steps you can take to avoid foreclosure and the time frame in which you must respond. 6. Right to a foreclosure mediation program. Some jurisdictions offer foreclosure mediation programs, which allow homeowners to work with a neutral third party to negotiate a solution with their lender. If you feel that your legal rights have been violated in the case of mortgage stress, you may want to seek legal advice from a qualified attorney. An attorney can help you understand your legal options and take action to protect your rights and avoid foreclosure. That's all for today's video on what to do if you can't afford your mortgage payments. We hope this video has provided you with some useful information to help you navigate this challenging situation. Remember, falling behind on your mortgage payments can be a stressful experience, but there are steps you can take to avoid foreclosure and keep your home. Whether you're contacting your lender, cutting back on expenses, or exploring refinancing options, the key is to take action as soon as possible. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you know who may be facing a similar situation. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on personal finance and investing. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.